Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Instagram Reels without watermark. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to download Instagram Reels without watermark, all you gotta do is simply go to Instagram first. Once you have gone to Instagram, you need to simply tap on the reel you want to download. Now you need to tap on the share button and find the copy link option. Once you have copied your link, you need to go back to a web browser and tap open Snaptic or any of the third-party applications like this. Once you simply do it, you need to simply go and tap it on, and you can simply even type in Instagram video downloader. So here you need to simply paste the link and tap on the download button. Once you tap on the download button, you can get different kind of videos in 1080p or more resolution or less resolution. Now you need to tap on the download video option and you will get this Instagram reel without any watermark. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.